I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Age of Empires 2 on Windows 11. First, ensure your operating system is completely up to date. Older games often struggle with newer systems, so having the latest Windows 11 updates can resolve many underlying compatibility issues. Also, check that your graphics card drivers are the most recent version available. Outdated drivers are a common cause of display problems and crashes with classic titles. Finally, make sure your Age of Empires 2 installation files are complete and accessible. Next, we will adjust compatibility settings. Right-click the game's executable file, go to Properties, and set it to run in compatibility mode for Windows 7 or Windows 8. Always run the game as an administrator to avoid permission-related errors. A crucial step for the classic game is installing the community-made user patch. This significantly improves stability and adds modern features. Additionally, ensure you have DirectX 9 installed, as many older games rely on its components for proper functioning. Many players encounter graphical glitches with classic Age of Empires 2. To fix these, disable full-screen optimizations in the compatibility settings. This can prevent issues like black screens or incorrect colors. Sometimes, running the game in a 640 by 480 screen resolution can resolve display problems. Always keep your graphics drivers updated, as this is vital for rendering older game visuals correctly. If color palette issues persist, a dedicated community graphics fix tool might be necessary to restore proper visuals. For advanced troubleshooting, consider adding your Age of Empires 2 game folder to your antivirus exclusion list. Security software can sometimes interfere with older game executables. Also, disable any in-game overlays from applications such as Discord or Steam, as these can cause crashes or performance drops. Closing unnecessary background programs before launching the game will free up valuable system resources. If you obtain the game digitally, verifying the integrity of game files can fix corrupted installations, ensuring a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.